If you have been thinking about starting up a shortlet business here in Lekki Lagos and its oasis, please, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end, as I'm going to share with you a lot of information that will help you make the right decision when starting up a shortlet business and the best property to begin with. Alright, watch this video to the end, don't skip any. Remember, my name is Peter Twinnet from LekkiProperty.com, and my job, like I always say, is to assist you with the right real estate investment information so that when you're making real estate investment decisions, be able to make the right decisions. And my partners in UK, the Lekki Dwellers. Watch to the end. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post subsequent videos, you will be among the first to be notified. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always subscribing. Thank you for always referring clients to me. I will always bring you the best real estate investment information here in Lekki, Lagos and its oasis. Thank you. I keep on watching. Hala. So what is shortlet business? Shortlet business is letting your apartment for a very short time. Okay? Now, shortlet business has been in existence for many years. All right? But recently, we were introduced to shortlet business here. Shortlet is made up of a fully furnished apartment or building, all right, with everything you need in a home. That's a full shortlet apartment. So it's not like an empty apartment or empty house. No, everything is fully equipped. The kitchen is fully equipped. The rooms are fully equipped. Everything you need. You can actually cook in a shortlet apartment or like in a hotel. You can cook in a hotel. All right, so that's what a shortlet business is. So how can you make money from a shortlet apartment? Recently now, because of insecurity in the country, a lot of people prefer going to a shortlet than going to a hotel. All right, so because of that now, a lot of smart investors here in Lekki and its oasis have taken the advantage or taking the opportunity to invest into shortlets. Some own about 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units of different apartments in different locations, and they're making money every day. Now, let me give you ranges. If you want to have a shortlet within Lekki, because what I cover most is Lekki to Ekpe. So if you want to have a shortlet for a night in Lekki Phase 1, is between 100, 120, 130,000 naira per night. All right. If you're coming towards a Kate area, you can get for about 70, 80. Then if you're coming towards Aja area, you can get for about 50. Then within Shongotedu area, you can get about 30,000 per night. Then around Abidjo, recently I just checked in one of the apartments they are used for shortlet. They said it's 10,000 naira for 2 hours. So now imagine you own up to 2 or 3 or 4 units of this apartment, and they're giving you like 50,000 naira every day per one of the units. And you have like 2 units. That means every day you are cashing out with 100,000 naira just by investing into a shortlet apartment. All right. I'm going to give you further information. In this video, I'm also going to state to you or give you information as to the properties, real estate companies or apartments you can use to start your shortlet business as soon as possible. And then the reason why you should do that. Keep on watching. And please, if this is the first time you're watching my video, take advantage. Click on the subscribe button below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post subsequent videos, you will be notified. All right. And for those who have subscribed, who have been posting, who have also been communicating with me, thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for always following my informations. I will keep on bringing you more informations. Keep on watching as I bring you further details. Thank you. What to look out to when you are thinking of investing into shortlet business. All right, look around. If it's an estate, look at the amenities, infrastructures that the estate have. That will help to enhance the profit you make from your shortlet business. For instance, in one of the estates I will recommend to you, which is the Fairfield apartment, and right here in one of the apartments, the Fairfield apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, I'm going to go around in this video, like I mentioned at the outset. I'm going to take you on a tour to show you each of the apartments, but mostly I'm going to dwell on 2-bedroom. Now, in Fairfield apartment, remember Fairfield apartment and Island Gulf estate are in same location. So one of the infrastructures or amenities we have here in this estate that will enhance your shortlet business is we have a 9-hole golf course coming here in this estate. We have 2 man-made lakes coming up here in this estate. We have a general swimming pool. We also have 24 hours electricity. We have a gym center. We're going to have a grocery center where you can shop. We have a school for ages 0 to 6. We're also going to have a central sewage system, which means you don't own a soccer pit in your apartment. All right, they have a central place where they are all made together and then converted to gas. All right, so these are the things, these are infrastructure, and most importantly, in every short-let apartment there must be security around. So here in Fairfield apartment we have security, tight security. We have the civil defense corps always armed around. We also have police too. So we also have CCTV cameras all around the estate, so you are secure. So if you put in your money, if you invest your money in Fairfield apartment for a short-let business, you are not going to regret it. Now, another advantage of investing in Fairfield apartment for a short-let business is that unlike other short-let apartments where you need to go and get agents to look for clients for you to stay in your short-let apartment, here in Island Gulf Estate, the owners of this company, of this estate, have already made arrangement with a facility company that will manage all investors' properties here. So whether you want a long-term rentage or you want them to do a long renting, maybe annual renting, or you want a short-let business here, they can help you to manage it wherever you are in any part of the country. They'll manage it for you while you get your proceeds at the end of every month, every quarter, or every end of the year, depending on your agreement with the company. All right, so this is one of the reasons why I would recommend you start with Fairfield apartment for your short-let business. Now, another reason again, like I always mention, is here in Fairfield apartment you have opportunity. This is the only company or the only estate that gives you opportunity to pay for 12 months payment plan with 0 interest, which means that if you are buying the 1-bedroom apartment, which is going for, at the moment, fully finished, is going for 14 million naira. At the end of the year, if you're paying for 12 months, you will still be paying 14 million naira with no interest attached to it. If it's 2-bedroom you are going for, which is going for at the moment for 20 million naira fully finished, at the end of 12 months, you also be paying that 20 million naira. There's not going to be additional fee attached to it. And while the 3-bedroom, if you are also going for the 3-bedroom for a short-let business, you're also going to be paying 25 million naira at the end of that 12 months. So there's not going to be additional fee. And that is what makes Fairfield apartment most unique estate that you can use to start your short-let business. I'll go around the 2-bedroom apartment where I am right now and show you each of the rooms, and then you decide for yourself if it's a good deal for you or not. And remember, we just have few days. At 1st of November, the property price is going to be increased. This Fairfield apartment and Island Gulf Estate, the prices are going to increase. So if you are thinking of starting up a short-let business, take advantage right now. All you need is make an initial deposit of 4 million naira and you are right in the investment. All right, let me take you around. Keep on watching. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please take opportunity now. Click on the subscribe button below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post subsequent videos, you'll be among those that will be notified. Keep on watching as I take you around the tour of this 2-bedroom apartment. Let's go outside and start it up. Thank you. So here is the 2-bedroom apartment. Okay, remember this is just a sample room. Okay, but this is exactly what you should be expecting when you key into the Fairfield apartment. So I'm right in front of the 2-bedroom apartment, and here is the 3-bedroom apartment. Okay, now let's go to the 2-bedroom apartment. Let me just show you briefly. All right, so coming in here, you have what we call the anti-room. This is the anti-room here. Can you see that? All right, so here visitors can always wait, sit here and wait for you while you get to them before conveying them to your sitting room. Now coming in here, you have the first point here is the visitors toilet or restroom. Okay, all right, so this is how it's going to be. And the first room here, which is the like a visitor's room, okay, is this point here. Can you see that? All right, so take a look. Take a look. Take a look. All right, so this is the first room. You can see how sizable it is, and remember it has a ventilation advantage here too. There is a window covered with a curtain, and here you have the wardrobe. Okay, so you have the toilets and the bathtub. Can you see the bathtub here? All right, that's the wash and basin here. So that's the toilet and the bathroom. All right, so here we go. So Now, coming in here, you have the sitting room. Now, here is the sitting room here. You can see that, see the arrangement. You love it? Yes. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. I've just showed you the first room. Okay, there's the arrangement here. All right, but remember, these furnitures are not going to be included. For the fully finished, you're going to have your POP, your tiles. The rooms are going to be painted. The kitchen wardrobes will be there. All right, so here is the kitchen. All right, like I always say, we're bringing America or United Kingdom back to Nigeria here. So these are open plan kitchen. Okay, over there in US, in UK, in developed countries, they know this open plan kitchen very well. All right, so but here in Nigeria, other people are saying no, we can't use open plan kitchen because our food usually smell. We make a lot of soup, we burn soup, we do this, we do that. All right, but we need to start making adjustments. All right, if we have to go further in future, or we have to make a lot of adjustments. So this is an open plan kitchen. All right, so this is the kitchen here. This is a 2-bedroom apartment here in Fairfield apartment. This is 20 million naira, fully finished. All right, so this can actually serve as a dining. Okay, can actually serve as a dining. You can have 2 chairs here, or 1 chair here, or another one here, to add up to these other 3, so that your family members can sit here. So you can actually eat here on this post. All right, so take a look. Can you see that? All right, so let's keep on watching as I'm taking you to the last room. All right, so this is the master bedroom here. Can you see that? Sizable, isn't it? Yes, it is. Look how sizable it is. All right, so you can actually use this for your short-let business, and you make money on a daily basis. So let me open the curtain. So can you see that? So this is it. Yes. So you can see sizable bedroom. Can you see that? Sizable bedroom. All right, so here you have your wardrobe or a small walk-in closet. Can you see that here? All right, so that's it. And here you have the toilet and the bathroom. Go in the bathtub. You can actually walk in with a power shower. And each of them comes finished this way, including water heater, the toilet seater is here, and then you have the washer basin here. Then you can have a flower here, or keep your toiletries here. All right, so this is a 2-bedroom apartment here in Fairfield apartment. And one of the things I love about their building is the doors are very strong. It's a hardwood. Okay, so this is Fairfield apartment, 2-bedroom here in this estate. So this very one is going for 20 million naira at the moment. And like I said, the prices are about to be reviewed, and from November 1st, the prices will increase. So you'll be expecting that this very 2-bedroom might go for 23 or even 25 million naira from this month, from the month of November. So please key into it. All you need is make an initial deposit of 4 million naira. 4 million naira. This is the balcony. Make an initial deposit of 4 million naira. All right, can you see the balcony here? Have access to the balcony, and here you can have your sitting position. All right, so each of our apartments comes with the balcony at the sitting room. You can see that here, so you can have a time with your family, look at flowers. Okay, can you see that? So this is exactly what we're trying to establish. Exactly this. We're building it here, we're building it on the other side. These ones have been allocated, this also have been allocated. All right, so this is exactly what we want to establish right here. So you can see it's a good one for short-let business. And remember, like I mentioned, you don't need to start scouting for agents to get you clients to be in this property. Provided you are in Fairfield apartment, the clients, the estate management here will assist you get clients, and you get your money on a regular basis. So this is the 2-bedroom apartment. All right, I'll get you further detail. Keep on watching. So I've been able to take you around the tour of the 2-bedroom apartment here in Fairfield apartment, and the reason why you should key into this offer. Like I mentioned, at the end of this month of October, all right, the prices will increase. The company has mentioned it already. I've equally posted it on my social media platforms at Twinnet P on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and so on. So I've also mentioned it there that from 1st of November, which is next month, the prices will increase. The 1 bedroom might go as high as 18 million naira. The 2 bedroom might go as high as 25 million naira. The 3 bedroom might go as high as 30 million naira this very month we're about to enter. So all you need to do is to secure, even if it's use one apartment here to start up your short-let business, or 2, if you have the money for 5, deposit for it. You don't need to have the whole money to secure this. All you need is an initial deposit of 4 million naira. 4 million naira only. That's what you need to deposit. So if you're thinking of securing like 5 units of 1-bedroom apartment or 2-bedroom apartment here in Fairfield apartment, and you don't have the whole money, and you're thinking of 12 months payment plan with 0 interest, all you need to do is make an initial deposit for the 5 units for 4 million naira for one. So which means that for that 5 units, you are paying 20 million naira down payment and spread the balance for 12 months. Spread the balance for 12 months. Give and take, in next 12 months, the property will have been ready. You will have finished paying your money. You have 5 units. And now put up those 5 units for short let. You know exactly how much you'll be making daily. If you're making 50,000, 100,000 a day, it's something. All right. Remember, I mentioned that one of the things you should look out to when you are securing a property for a short let apartment is 1, accessibility. Can people be able to reach you easily there? 2, are there security? 3, are there amenities that will make people to keep on coming? Here in Fairfield apartment, we have amenities that will always keep people from coming daily, day in, day out here in this very estate. Remember, we have 24 hours electricity. And remember, since it's a short let, you will need light 24 hours constantly. So it will not be right if you are running gen or running diesel. All right, that is going to be added to the cost of your expenses. Okay, at the end, you won't make money. So be into an estate that has 24 hours electricity. All right, that will help to reduce the cost of managing your short-let business. Now, other things that are required if you are to do short-let business outside an estate, you will need an office of somebody who is going to manage it for you. Okay, but here in Fairfield apartment, the facility management will take care of those things. You don't need an office. You don't need a salesperson. All right, you don't need a secretary. You don't need a receptionist. All you need is own an apartment here, hand it over to the management, the facility management, and they will deliver it and you get your cash. If you feel that, okay, well, how can I be monitoring these people so that 10% doesn't come in a day and they tell me it's 5%? You can do that. There are a lot of gadgets you can employ, security cameras you can employ. While over there in abroad, you can be there monitoring how many people that goes in and come out. All right, these are the things you need to get involved. Now, when you watch this video, contact me so I can assist you secure this very deal. As time goes on, I'm going to be sharing out a lot of other information. Anywhere I get to, I see, okay, this property is good for short let, I will deliver the information to you right away. I'm not going to waste time on this. All right. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always following me, subscribing, referring clients. I'm so grateful. I will always continue to bring you the right real estate investment information here in Lekki, Lagos, and East Asia. Thank you so much for being with me within these few minutes watching this video. You are the best. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.